Today we're gonna see how we can perform image search. Okay, so basically image search is like what we're gonna do, like as you guys used to search in Google. Let me open this website here. Okay, so basically what we used to do, if you want to search some information or something, we just used to type here in Google search bar in order to get those results. Okay, so I'll show you how you can perform image search. Instead of using text search, you can just upload an image. If you don't have any idea of the image what you have and you want to know more about that image, you can just upload that image and it will show you relevant source of what that image represents. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, what I use Instagram. Okay, so I'll just do a random search here. Okay, which will make you understand how this image search works. So as you can see here, I have opened Google website. You have to go to images. Okay, then I'll show you how you can. I'm just demonstrating you how you can perform web search. Okay, image search, I'm sorry. So I'll just type here something unique. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, okay, Venezuela, something that is not much popular. Okay, let me see here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just pull some image here. Let me see which one is relevant here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, let me see some unique images here. Okay, suppose we have this image here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna right click here, save image. Okay, I'll save this image to my desktop, saved. And suppose you have this image, okay, and you don't know from where like what is this image. Okay, so just open Google, go to images. Okay, then you see the camera icon here, search by image, click on this, and then you choose upload an image, go to choose file. Okay, and then where is that hotel play camera? I guess this is that image. Let me enlarge the size. Okay, there we go. So this is the image. I'm gonna just open it if I don't have any idea what this image is for. Okay, so just Google is uploading that image and it will show the result relevant to that. Okay, so just waiting for the result to get uploaded. As you can see here, it shows some result here and you have relevant images here. You can just click on the see the same images here, and it shows Emiria Resort and Spa Yalta. So you got the relevant information here and you can perform a lot of image search by this procedure. Thank you so much. Hope you like the video and give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for daily upcoming videos. Thank you and you have a great day. Bye bye.